guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today's video is going to be so exciting because this is such a hype product. Everybody right now is talking about this foundation and you already know what I'm talking about. It is the Kay Beauty foundation. Everyone is going gaga over this foundation because first of all they have so many shades. 20 shades is so much. You will find something which is very near to your skin tone, I am sure, because of course there were not 20 skin tones, there are so many skin tones, everyone has different skin tone, but I think you'll find a shade which will match or which will come very near to your skin tone. So I have picked up 120Y light. Now I have warm undertone and I would not say that I'm very light, but in the medium section, whatever the shades were, those felt like they were too dark for me. So what I did was that I took the darkest shade from the light section, which is 120Y light. Now coming to how the names are put on, you already know this, I think. 120 is the number of the product, like the foundation, and then Y is like yellow undertone, and then light, medium, tan and dark, those are the skin tones which are divided. Now during picking up the shade, what I realized is that you will see they have hand swatches. Hand swatches pe mat jana. Hand swatches, I did not think that those are the correct one. Go to the next slide which has that round swatches. उससे आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा color है foundation का, because I think that is more true to the real color. So go for the round shade chart and not for the hand swatches. Now the foundation comes in this beautiful glass packaging. It has this white top and a glass bottle which is very sleek, and the size is perfect. It will just fit in your purse the right way, and then it has a pump dispenser. There's not much to talk about the packaging. It's very beautiful, that is all I can say. Now coming to the features of this foundation, it is a very hydrating foundation as they have promoted it. So it's a hydrating foundation, not a mattifying one. You have to keep that in mind. And it is enriched with avocado, mango butter, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so that you know it's a very good agent to retain the moisture of your face so that your face looks glowy and dewy and luminous. So I don't know how much this will perform, like I know because I have already done my makeup, but I want to show you. So let's get started with the demo of this foundation. I think this one will suit my skin tone. Every other shade that was there was either too dark or too light for me. This one was the only shade which was like somewhere near to my skin tone, but you know online shopping can sometimes be really deceiving, but I'm excited to try this out. Let's see, fingers crossed. So I'm not really sure if this foundation has primer in it or not, because when I was reading the description there was no mention of it, but there was some reviews online which was saying that it has inbuilt primer, so I'm not very sure. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to use it with primer and without primer on half of my face. And also it says that it blurs imperfection, and as you can see I have a lot of dark spots right now and pimples plus redness around my mouth and everything. So let's see what it does to those. You know, some foundations work really well with a brush and some with a beauty sponge. I personally do not like using a brush. I always go for a beauty sponge. This is a wet beauty sponge. Both of these are from PAC. They are so amazing. So on one side I'm going to try the brush, and on the other side I'm going to try the beauty blender. And I have only taken 2 pumps right now to see what it does. So let's get blending. Now I can already see how luminous and dewy this looks, but I'm gonna try this one with a brush first and then I'll give my final verdict. So on this side I'm using this PAC Studio Finish Primer. What it does is minimizes the pores, smooth and bright skin, oil-free formula. I love this primer. You're not supposed to go with a primer everywhere over your face. You just need to use it where you have pores. But today as I'm trying out this one, I just want to see the finish of it over a primer. I don't know if you can see or not, but on this side you see there is no light reflection, which means that this side is matte. And I told you this primer is so good. But anyways, this is not about the primer, this is about the foundation. So again, I'm going to be taking 2 pumps on this side as I took on this side. See, this is why I don't like using brush, because it eats up so much product. Like, see the amount of product in this one, and see the amount of product in this one. This sponge is so good, it does not absorb product at all. So I like the coverage with the Beauty Blender better, obviously, and the brush just took away too much product. And it's not like the foundation is off, but it has a very sheer coverage, and none of my pigmentation is anyway hidden or it is blurred. Nothing has happened. So this is the coverage of both. So I feel the dewiness which was on this side of the face because I did not apply a primer, and that was a mattifying primer. So I think that just cancelled out the dewiness of this side. It is still there, I mean my skin is still looking luminous, but what happened is that this is in a subdued form, but this one looks really nice. It's very dewy, and this is, what to say, less dewy, more on the mattifying side. So if you want a more mattifying look, just use a mattifying primer underneath and maybe you will get the desired effect. So now to even both of this out, now to I'm looking very different, dono alag hi face lag rahe hai, so I have to even this out. So I'll apply another layer of the foundation and I will be blending everything with the Beauty Blender only, because that worked really nice for me. So I have used 2 layers of foundation right now. First time I took 2 pumps each, and then the next time again I took 2 pumps, and also I went ahead and used a little bit of foundation on my under eye areas and on the blemishes, because they were not like fading out. So I wanted to see if I apply to them directly, anything happens or not. So now you can see the pigmentation and the acne marks I had and the redness on the face is reduced to some level. The best thing I found about this foundation is that this shade, even though I took it online, it just matches me so well. You can see that it is just blended in with my skin, so it will make your skin look better and it will not at all look like you have foundation on, because this is a perfect match for me right now. And the fact that the skin looks really dewy and luminous, this foundation is all about giving a natural but flawless look. Now it cannot give you a flawless look because it does not do too much to the blemishes and everything. It says that you can build up the coverage by reapplying. I have applied 2 layers right now. It is not cakey yet, it looks very good, but if you see in this portion, the pimple portions, it is kind of dry. So I think if I go on for a 3rd layer, my skin is gonna stretch out. Maximum you can go for 3 layers or maybe 4 layers if you want. But अगर मुझे हर बार इसको use करने के लिए to get that kind of a coverage which I want, if I have to go on reapplying to 2 layers or 3 layers, then I don't think that is something which I want from my foundation, because then it is a waste of money. And the price of this is not something very budget friendly. It is 1200 and I do not want to, you know, use it up so fast. I want to utilize my money. So this is something you have to think these aspects, right? If you are investing 1.2 bucks on something, you would need it to at least stay on like 6 months. I will really feel bad if I have to cover up, like build up the layers every time, because that is too much wastage of product. So this foundation has a very sheer to medium coverage. I don't know why Katrina was saying that this is a full coverage foundation, because I don't see it has covered anything. So it's very sheer, it's very like something you can use on a daily basis. It will not cover up the acne or blemishes or the pigmentation, but it will make your skin look good. It will make your skin look yours but good. Another thing which I have to mention is that I have oily skin, and the skin obviously looks very luminous and dewy and hydrated, which I love so much, but I have oily skin. This is summers, so I don't think this match is going to be a very good match, because if I go out with this, I know what will happen. It already has flashbacks, so if I go out in sun, I will sweat, I will have oil on my face, and then it will look bad. It will have too much flashbacks and it will not look good. So I don't think if you have oily skin, you should go for this in summers. Of course, if you are hyped about the product, you can obviously go for it. For winters, this is going to be my favorite. This is going to be a cult favorite. Anyone with dry skin, this is going to be your favorite, because dry skin people will really love it. It has that hydrating feature in it. It has a hyaluronic acid which will, you know, hydrate your skin, keep your skin hydrated. So I'll put on the rest of the makeup and I'll be back. I hope you liked that, and I hope I have covered every aspect of how the foundation would perform. If anything else comes up in my mind, I'll leave that in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Now I'll just sum up my review in pros and cons. Pro number 1, it's a very hydrating foundation. It obviously makes your skin look very dewy, very luminous. It is perfect for dry skin people and also for winters when the skin tends to get drier. Pro number 2, I really love the shade range. They have come up with 20 shades, so I think you'll find your right shade. Pro number 3, it is very easy to layer up. You can layer up and you can blend in very easily. And if you are going for a natural finish, if you are going for a, you know, very no makeup kind of look, this would be the foundation you should go for. Pro number 4 is that it is perfect for an everyday basis use. So if you're going for work or if you want to go for college, I think for college it would be a bit too much, but if you are going for a work and you want something just to, you know, make you feel that it is your skin but it is better, you have to go for this one because it's very sheer. Now coming to the cons. Con is that the price is too much. 1200 is something I would not pay the next time. Like, I would not like to pay the next time because there are better foundations than this. I feel that, which has better coverage than this, and I am someone who likes full coverage in foundation. Agar light coverage chahiye to I use BB cream or CC creams. I do not use foundations for that. So yeah, I don't think I would be reaching out for this again, or maybe I will, I don't know, but right now I don't think I'll be reaching out for this again. I would like to try others. I would like to try other foundation which are on the same, you know, price range. Next is that it has very sheer coverage. If you do not build it up, if you are applying only one layer, your pigmentation, your acne scars, everything will be still visible. So yeah, that is it. Con number 3 is that it is not for oily skin people, especially in summers. As I told you, if you go out, you will sweat and it will have too much flashbacks, so your skin will look more oily. Another pro, the shade matched me so well. It is like I'm not wearing anything oily, it is like my skin. So it's a very good foundation to find your shade, your right shade. I think that is it for this foundation. That is it, everything I felt about this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this helpful, and keep everything in mind and then invest your 1,200 bucks on this, because you know it's your hard-earned money, so you should invest it in the right place. Don't always go in with the hype. You should know what you need and what you don't. With that note, I'll be finishing this video, and I'll see you next week with another review, which is a review of the K Beauty highlighter which I told you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Tata.